Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you remove background from any video without it having a green screen. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So you need to have an open project on CapCut and let's import a portrait. So this method will be depending on the video that you have. So it will depend on the quality of the video and the portrait of the character that uh, or subject that you have on top. So, for example, I've chosen this video. So to be able to do this method, so let's go ahead and go over here and make sure that the video is selected here and go over to cutout and make sure that since we are not using a green screen here, make sure you only use the auto cutout. So for example there, as you can see, it will go ahead and load. And as you can see, it will be depending on the video. It will not be perfect. As you can see, it still have its leftovers. So be sure to keep that in mind. And there, as you can see, it is now done. And for this to go ahead and be used, for example, we want a talking model here. So here I can use a video here. So let's turn off the auto snapping. Or the main track model if you are having the problem earlier. So there, as you can see, we've now gone ahead and removed the video and gone ahead and managed to put the video of the cat out here. So okay guys, as you can see, it's worked, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.